Had to go down and get Amazon packages. You know you gotta haul when you gotta grab the wagon. Home sweet trailer. There we go. Got some tomatoes. One tomato for you. Nom 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 nom. And another tomato for you. So, heck is this thing? What? Says Dad, you got to scoosh these things for me. I can't handle this. Now I gotta bring it over on the rug. I gotta fight it until it pops. Oh, there it is. Got it. Got it. Now it's delicious. Okay, it's all good.
Good job.
Wild and free now, huh? Yeah. Yeah. Well, for this week, we are in Panama City Beach, Florida. We were gonna do Destin, but then we found out as we were looking to book the park, or book an RV park, that Panama City Beach actually has a dog beach. That's actually like a space dedicated to being like, you know, just a dog-friendly beach actually. So we decided Panama City Beach was going to be the spot because, I mean, we got to have somewhere for these, you know. And you got fur babies, got to take them with. Yeah, some more beach time, more beach days, always fun, right? Yeah. Only their second time in the ocean, so figured we might as well. Series of bad decisions.
Just out making good decisions.
Motorcycles and swimwear.
I think she's got a thong on. Could you imagine with the like road rash on your ass? I feel like if you got hit. I mean, road rash on your ass. That's like rump roast. To butt on chew. I feel like that would be a good place. It looks just like a beach dive bar.
Yeah. Still some little motels left.
This is like old Panama City. I feel like the stuff we were at yesterday is like...
It's definitely the new Panama City Beach stuff, yeah. But you can see there's plenty of new hotels as well that have been plunked in.
Well, I think it's just been growing, probably this way. Because this all looks new. Maybe not that, but...
Headed to the beach. All the smells. Here you go, ladies. Welcome to Florida White Sand Beach. First time in the Gulf of America. It's
Where are you going?
Don't drink it, new boy. I really hope I got that. Okay, but we got to face this way. Come in. Come on, Ellie. Come on. Come on. Come on, boo. Come on, come on. There you go. See, I'm still trying to touch. Still trying. Oh, now I got to swim. Shoot. Oh, shoot. Don't drink it. Good girl.
Good girl.
Good job. Ellie, you're going out to sea. This way, Ellie. Ellie, this way. You gotta come to the shallow so you can shake your ears. Yeah. Yeah. There you go. Now you can stand again. You need to shake your ears out.
She's like, I just want to get and roll in the sand.
Yeah, she's like, I'm just ready for laying in the sand. She keeps standing sideways. I can't keep her like face into the waves. You can see? Oh man, this water is so salty. It's gross. It tastes terrible. Ooh, there's a hole there, watch out.
Ellie's like, let's get to the important stuff. Let me roll in the sand.
Yeah, let me at this sand here. Ellie. Thank you.
Shake. Shake.
Shake off, Trudy.
Shake. Good girl.
There it is. She says, oh, this is glorious. This is the best part about this beach stuff. Yeah, you're just gonna pack some sand down for everybody? Yeah, sliding down the beach. Oh, doofus. Just loving life.
Hi, friends, I was funny too.
Yeah.
She's like, more importantly, I was rolling in the sand.
Yeah. Say hi.
We did that too.
I saw he was carrying his lead. Oh, look, they're making friends.
Oh, see if I might.
Back to the important stuff.
Yes.
Get me some more sand here.
So good. He was digging all the way down.
He's like, yeah, we're going back in.
You want to do that for you? Look at your ball.
What do you think, huh? Oh, right in the mouth, huh? Right in the mouth. Oh, that was a big one. I'm sorry. Oh, you had enough now? He says, heck with this wave crap. Not a fan. Not infestation. We're awful slow there, Noodles. Here's your ball. See, these waves got me thrown off. I'm not sure about this.
Uh-oh.
You get it.
What is it? She's like, that's the best trick I've ever learned. Please. Okay. Uh-oh.
Hi. Hey, buddy. Here, gonna have the ball? Yeah. Good boy. Good boy. Oh, she got it.
Good girl. Bring it here. You want to play the ball for a little bit? We can share. Come on.
Oh. Ellie's like, oh man, it's hot. It's so hot.
Sharing is caring. Sharing is
Yeah, good girl, Trudy. Yeah. Yeah. She's definitely a gentle soul.
We are going to end it on that note.
Yeah.
Thank you. Okay.
Nothing to see here. I've got nothing in my
Oh my
hand.
gosh, you guys are so cool. Thank you so
Yeah.
much. We'll get it. Quick.
Good girl. Bring it here. Bring it here, Trudy.
Bring it here.
Just smashed the wave. So that was just rolling in the sand. My favorite part of the beach. Getting wet and then dirty.
Hey, Elvira.
What do you have, Nudies? Huh? You got your ball? Well, get it. Get it. Get it, Trudy. Get it. No. Oh, there it goes again.
Are you here?
What do you have, huh?
Oh,
Ellie.
Mom will be more conscious of me.
Stay, Ellie.
Wait.
Okay. No. Get her. Good girl. Good job. Oh, there goes your ball. Just keep setting it down on this hill. Yeah. You keep setting it down on the hill, Minnie's. Says I gotta take a break. Pooped.
I grab her bone.
Oh, Trudy. Ready? Ready? Good girl. Bring it here. Trudy, bring it here.
Take.
Okay, gonna take a break for a little bit. See if we can get you some drinks. Did Mom and Ellie go out for a swim without you? Just going to rinse all the sand off of Ellie. Oh, I know. You poor thing. Yeah, poor thing. Okay then, let's go. Mom, I couldn't handle it. Couldn't handle being left behind.
But there's like really long skinny fish with like pointy, like a needle nose.
Yep.
What do you know?
Is this the right spot for you, Boo Boo? She's like, yeah, I don't mind sitting here. This is perfect.
Yeah, as long as I don't have the waves hitting me.
Well, and if they do hit me, they hit my back.
Yeah, I don't like being face first in it. So I'm not wearing polarized lenses, Mom. I can't see it. We're going out in the water. We're going out for a swim. Where are we going? Oh wow, look at that. Big one. I don't know if we can pick that up or not. Looks like a gar of some kind.
We got a pretty big wave, and it came and it went right over the top of both of us.
Oh really?
She's like, every wave, I take a couple sticks.
Yeah, I saw the, it looked like a gar. It's like 3 feet long out there. Big one. Oh, dudes. Sorry. Oh.
You
gotta be-
move your back to it.
You gotta be
Your
watching,
sister.
Noodles. You gotta be watching.
Like your sister.
Yeah. Come out here where you can swim some? Huh? We'll go this way up, Trudy.
See, I get tired. I sit down, Mom.
Waves.
I shoot. Yeah, Mom, stop moving. She says my back end.
I'm getting too wet. I'm getting too wet in here. Can I crawl on top of you? I just want the water halfway up my body. Oh, really? You know? So rough? What do you want to do? You want to go swimming some more?
You could take her out.
I'm more worried about she just keeps going out to sea when I let her out here. Don't you? See, I just keep swimming. I'll just keep swimming and swimming and swimming. Trudy, we're gonna have to turn around pretty soon here, kiddo. Hey. Trudy, come. Good girl. There you go. Cheek. Yeah, there you go. Is that better now?
We're kind of old and tired, so she just sat on me and we've just been here ever since.
She says, yeah, I'm more like the relaxing in the water versus exercising.
Mom's getting an ab workout.
Got Ellie hanging out in your tent. Yeah, she says, yeah, I like the shade. It's so hot here. It's got to be almost 80 degrees by now. Cold weather girl, right? Yeah. Not phased.
I'm not sure if we're recording or not.
Yep. We're just recording some of this so I can grab it.
Just me chugging high noons.
Look at that. Slamming high noons.
You gotta do it quick, otherwise it gets too warm.
Yeah, babies. You enjoying your beach day? Yeah. Says I smell snacks. Somebody's got something cooking. I don't know where it is, but I smell it. I smell something delicious. Pretty Liam. Good girl. You ready? Are you ready?
Okay, can I warm me down?
Good girl. Getting all the sniffs on the way out, Trudy. Good girl.
Goodest day ever. Well, I mean, it wasn't bad, but you know, with the boat ride with Uncle Dave, it's way better.
Yeah. Ellie's favorite thing, wormy worm on the towel. So I drive myself. I drive myself after my beach day and my bath.
I'll bring my heart left into hell, hallelujah. I'll bring my star-crossed self story to tell, hallelujah. Whoa.
Awesome spot, right on Panama City Beach.